So hey guys, welcome to my first backtesting video, and इसमें we are getting into September 2025 price action of MNQ. So let's start with today's backtesting. और ये मेरा पहला backtesting video है, so it will be random. So please bear with me. So let's discuss first some things on my strategy. Okay. So So I trade basically, let's give a call out. So I trade basically ERL to, you can say, IRL, which means external range liquidity to internal range liquidity. मतलब कि whenever price यहाँ पे तो नहीं है, let's get into a good place. Yeah, so you can see a fair value gap here. So whenever price tapped into it and took this external liquidities, this relative equal highs, then we, and touching into the consequent encroachment. So price ने क्या किया, इस fair value gap का 50% तक tap किया. Then we had a open gap here. So what did we do? We have to retrace back into it to go upside. So in this case, if you look at this also, यहाँ पे बहुत सारा एक्सटर्नल रेंज लिक्विडिटी है, तो प्राइस ने टैप किया इधर, देन इट मूव्ड इनटू, लेट्स से, अगर आप देखो तो इट मूव्ड इनटू अ फेयर वैल्यू गैप हियर. लेट मी मार्क इट. तो इसने क्या किया, यहाँ तक रिट्रेस किया है अगर आप देखो, देन इट वेंट अप, देन लेट्स से व्हाटएवर. सो वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन दैट. देन आता है लिक्विडिटी का कॉन्सेप्ट, एंड देर आर मेनी थिंग्स इन माई स्ट्रेटेजी विच I will tell you later, and you can just look at it how my strategy behaves, so that you can have somewhat of an idea with this backtesting video. So चलो देखते हैं सितंबर का प्राइस एक्शन. सो ऑन डेली प्राइस looks like it hasn't moved anywhere. पूरा तो भी, yeah, you can spot some shit. Okay, price just tapped into it, but it has a somewhat imbalance on, yeah, on hourly we have taken this liquidity, no, we have left it. So this gives us a good picture, क्योंकि अगर देखा जाए तो यहाँ से यहाँ, सॉरी, अच्छा, लेट्स सी, बिकॉज बट यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा टैप किया है. सो लेट्स सी, लेट्स गो टू 15 मिनट्स एंड लेट्स सी आर पीडी अरेज. सो मैं पीडी अरेज देखता हूँ 15 मिनट्स पे. आई लुक फॉर लिक्विडिटी पोल्स. ओके, सो लंडन हाई यहाँ पे इंटैक्ट है, लंडन लोज भी यहाँ पे इंटैक्ट है. सो लेट्स सी, एशिया लो ये है. सो लेट्स सी हाउ द पी behaves. Let's go to 1 minute. Okay, and let's look how price action behaves. Okay, 9:30 opens. Need displacement. Okay, we have left an equal low here, so that kind of pisses me off, but we have taken this low. Mm, this could have been an inversion setup, but we have a unmitigated gap. So this is a sauce, guys. Remember, never like the best probability setups comes from trading unmitigated gaps, which means जब ये gap, like I can give you an example. So यहाँ पे no, let's go to 5 minutes to give an example. देखो, this this gap तो नहीं, what is the unmitigated gap? So यही भी हो सकता है. देखो, this was an unmitigated gap, price came, ramped up. This was taken, again price came, again taken this low, and then went up. So highest probability हमेशा unmitigated gaps में trade करने से आती है. Let's look at now this. We can get a small 5 minute inversion, but I'm not looking at that. Let's go 940 opens, another 5 minute candle opens. Not anything convinced. So guys, always remember, whenever you see this is barcode price action. So do not engage in these kind of conditions. You're getting nothing. Let's go to next day. Let's go to daily. Okay, we are taking this right away. Slow is vulnerable. Let's go to H4. Okay, let's give me shit. Let's go. Okay, we have a 4 hour unmitigated to the upside. Let's see. Can run that. Okay. We also let's go to 15 minutes. Mark our zones. Okay. On 15 minutes, we have a small unmitigated gap here. Let's go to 1 minute to see the price action. Let's go. Takes down, relax it, and 33. Let's watch everything. Yeah, takes it. It's down. Industry. So this was a probable setup which I missed. This could have been the probable setup, like targeting this 1.1.45. We can target until this also, this size, which is cool. Let's see. Yeah, we got our, oh, that's a hindsight setup. Let's move on to next day. We missed our setup. Guys, remember, बहुत लोग आएंगे बोलेंगे कि मैंने ट्रेड मिस कैसे कर दिया या बैक टेस्ट में कैसे मिस हो गया. Sometimes it happens while doing back test, while doing live. You never bother about missing trades. You bother about not following your rules and taking winners. Okay. Don't bother about a loss. Don't bother about missing setups. Bother about how much you break your rules. That will make you a better trader. So same as, let's go to daily. Okay. Have we taken the 50% of the week? No. 50% is around 201. Okay, we are clearly bullish, but here we can see one thing. See guys, यहाँ पे fair value gap है which was unmitigated. Price has tapped into it. Okay, and we have a unmitigated gap below it also. So let's go to early, look for that. Okay, we can target this consequent encroachment. Okay guys, let's go to 15 minute to see where price. So let's do first the check. What is the equilibrium of the range? So, so yeah, let's go to 15 minutes and check how the market behaves. Yeah, we're sweeping this low, swept this. Sorry guys, I had some things to do. Okay, let's continue. So yeah, we have taken liquidity and filled this gap properly. Let's see if price reverses it or inverses it. If price takes support from here, we can look for London stacked highs that look really juicy. But we have this small gap which needs to be inversed. Let's look. I'll target this. Okay, let's go forward. Taps into this 1 minute. It's down. Can we get it? Let's take in the LRLR. Let's move. Yeah, we can now take a sector. Buy. Okay, that's a first loss. Let's move on to next trade. Choppiest price action, guys. I don't want it to start on a loser. क्या ही कर सकते हैं? Sometimes you have to give it. Early में barcode है 4 hour looks choppy as fuck. एशिया लो है, लंदन लोज भी इंटैक्ट हैं. Let's see. Let's go to 1 hour. Let's go to 15. Where's the tag? Oh, it fucked me up, then moved up. That's crazy as shit. Oh, I never looked into time. That's my mistake as well. Let's go. Time is important, buddy. Let's watch. None to the either side. We have London lows here also. Let's look for it to get taken out. 1 minute, London lows here. Asia lows there. Okay, let's watch. Okay, we are getting this inversion, but from where? Something to get tagged on, right? Let's look at 15 minutes. Okay, we're clearing this. Okay, clearing this. So we need to take out London lows and Asia lows as well. And it's barely tapping into this. Okay. Looks like a lot of unmetered gaps against me, but let's go. That's what I love about taking these kind of setups. Yo, I'm targeting London lows. Let's go. Let's lose another trade. No, I'm coming on to break even because we have too much gap. So this was my setup. This is my entry, and I'm targeting these lows, and my SL is around here. And right now I'm getting more than 1:1, so breaking it even. But it was a, let's go 1 to 2.6 hour trade. Let's go. Let's look. I'm getting. Don't give up. Don't give up. No. Go slam it, bang it. Do whatever you can do. Take it. Yeah. Good trade. See, you might lose some trades, but when you win big. It means I lost $979, but made it 2.5k. So let's move on. Just a win doesn't matter. Just a loss doesn't matter. Just move on with your trading. Again, crazy price action. All of this shit. एंड ये एक नया मतलब लोग की बैक टेस्टिंग फ्री वाला वर्जन है, एक बंदे ने बनाया है. इफ यू विल mention me in the comments, I'll share the link and ask that guy so that he can add you up into his Discord so that you can use also. Very good. Very, like, पैसे तो कुछ खर्च नहीं हो रहे मेरे, and it's completely free. So let's look at, yeah. So we have all this low resistance liquidity on daily which needs to be taken out. Price is taken this high. This high also is there. Let's look. But see, guys, price, sometimes you need to look at how price is behaving like on. Oh fuck, I can't find a simple thing, man. So embarrassing this is. What the fuck is drawing? What the fuck I can draw? So someone is watching. Okay, let's go. So let's see, the price has taken this higher on daily, as you can see. And हाँ, तो मैं कहाँ था, तो छोड़ो, यहाँ से ही कर देते हैं, टेक्स्ट लिखते हैं. So if you can think of like this, OHLC or OLHC. This means, make it big, bold. So what this means is, a candle, if you look at a bullish candle, what it does is it opens, it creates a low, then it creates a high, then it closes. See this: O open, L for low, H for a high, C for close. And if you look at a bearish candle, what it does is it opens up here, it makes a high, if you can see a smaller wick, yeah, so it creates a high, then it creates a low, then it closes. So O for open, L for the low, sorry, H for the high, L for the low, C for the close. So OLHC is for bullish, open, low, high, close. This is for bearish, open, high, low, close. So see, when price made this price action, what happened was there was a lot of orders here, and it has not taken any kind of liquidity from the previous day. So it took the low of the previous day. Then what did afterwards is it taken the low of that day and it moved up. See how this candle and this candle is similar. It has a low wick, it has a small wick, which means, and there is also a small volume imbalance, which means we can see a bearish price action today. Let's go to 4 hour, 2 hours, sorry, let's go to 4 hour. The overall price action is bullish, but I am looking for a bearish trade because it seems. And if you can look at this, we have a London low, and below this we have also a imbalance on day 4 hour, which is unmitigated. Okay, but we have a clearly push. Let's look at the concept and okay, let's watch how price behaves in this. Let's put this gap right out. Okay, and see, we have also this high is protected, this high is protected by this high, so price might also take there. So let's go, let's see the price action. Okay, takes that high, taps into it. Okay, we close this 15 minutes. Do we close this 15 minutes? Let's. No, no, we are not closing this 15 minutes. We have 3 minutes to go. So watch, tap into this 1 minute gap, moves to the upside. Okay, we inverse this in 15 minutes to inverse this. Yo, completely. So I can look for trades. So London lows to be taken out. What do I have this? Yeah. Barely a 1 to 1 trade. I'm concerned because we have an open gap here. And if we take this low, it's around. Okay, let's watch one more candle to play out. That will give us a good picture because 15 minutes candle is opening, and I'm I play my setups based on the PO3. So yeah, goes up, goes up, goes up. Yeah, takes out. Again, yeah. Okay. Get this move. Do we break it? No. Yeah, we break now. And 10-minute 4 hour is opening. Let's look at the 4 hour with this now. Kate is retracing into that. Okay, let's go. Let's play more. See how this goes. Reclaim. Again reclaim. Okay, we clearly inverse this. This small 1 minute. So this 1 minute is getting inversed. Let's them opens, manipulates to the downside. Okay, not getting anything. Okay, we inverse this gap also, but nothing. Just okay. It takes the London lows and it inverses. Right there. Yeah, Asia lows there also. Okay, see guys, narrative played out. We are looking for the London lows, but I didn't get any kind of setups. This was a probably a con can be 15 minutes or a 1 minute continuous setup can be taken from year to year. This looks good, but that's not my model. So whatever. Okay, 10:30 opens. Can we have a manipulation to the upside? No. Oh, we don't. 7. No, we don't. We don't, Virgie. Okay, now it looks juicy. 15 minutes. Where is Asia lows? Where is Asia lows, brother? Okay. Clearly a gap to the upside which is unmitigated. And what are we targeting, man? Is this a 1-to-1? This is a 1-to-1. I'm gonna take it. This is a. This is a random trade. I'm taking 1-to-1. Okay. Let's go. I'm not confident that much, so I'm gonna risk 0.5 on this. I'm looking for cells, right? I'm risking 0.5 on this. Okay, let's go over the overall biases. Oh, completely runs down. Great. See how we got that. After that, the price became choppy. That was what I was worried for because 11 AM opened. Let's move on to another day. So, looking at the first week, it was a good week. 2 days we didn't get any setup. One day it was a loss, and 2 days it was profit. Good. I could have risked 1%, but nonetheless, would be, could be, should be, never be used because that doesn't exist. Let's see, are we around 50%? Yeah, we are around 50% of the week. Let's go to 4 hour. Okay, we have London stag lows, is great. We have also open imbalance on 4 hour, seems untapped. Hardly do we have anything? No. Okay, this seems quite good. We have moved into this. Okay, let's delete this first. Okay, we moved, we taken this. So, and there is also London lows. There is 4 hour gap, which is unmitigated. There is low resistance liquidity. Everything is pointing toward bearish. So we're looking for bearish setups. Let's now find some things to look for. Small. I don't trust 5 minutes, man. It's shit. Okay, nothing. Let's look on 1 minute. Yeah, we have a unmitigated gap here, which is mitigated. Okay, targeting these equal lows. Okay, great. We have equal lows also. This will look crazy as setup. Let's go. Let's look for the price action. Okay, it takes to the upside. Oh, what the fuck is this price action? Okay, can you close above? Okay, we close above. What the fuck? I was on 15 minutes. Let's go to. Sorry, let's get back here. What the fuck is this? Okay, okay, yes, what? 1 minute. Sorry, guys, I was on 15 minutes and I just moved over. So, open gap here. Retracement into this. Okay. Okay, we get a closure. Okay. Let's go to 15 minutes. Can we expect? What the fuck we can expect? We can okay, let's move on, guys. This is fucking ridiculous. I don't want engage in this kind of price action, and I had already seen the 15 minutes played out, so it'll be a cheating, guys, knowing the price action in trading. So on daily, clearly we have start highs to the upside. Okay, on 4 hours. What do we have there? Nothing. But we have London highs, Asia stacked highs. Okay, liquidity upside का तो बहुत है, yeah. So we are not closing below this gap, which means also we have stacked highs. This high is protected by this high, which means it had to be taken, and it is also a London high. There are many confluences that price wants to go to the which side? To the upside. Okay, we have taken this gap. Price has taken liquidity from this low. It has manipulated low, more to the upside. Looks good. Let's what does the 300 is doing? Okay, 300 also looks good. We have a 300 gap, which is so. Let's go to 1 minute. Let's look for the price action. Okay, kind of equalize type of thing. Let's go. Okay, reclaim. Let's move forward a bit and get a sweep. Okay, swept into this. Okay, we don't have a gap. Looks cool to take this high out, but these are equal highs also. Equal lows, sorry. We close now, we don't. Okay, now we can think of taking a continuous setup. Do we take or do we not take? Let's look at 15 minutes. Okay, new 15 minutes opening. Do we have equal highs? Kind of equal highs. This high. Okay, I'm interested. Fuck it. I'm interested. Let's go. Let's take it. I'm gonna take a good amount of risk here also. I think we can get manipulated also. So sometimes it's a pattern trade. I'm not getting the correct RR, man. Driving these highs also. I have to take control. Negative momentum. Okay, let's squeeze something. Okay, let's go. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Yes, sorry. 1%. Let's go. We never close above, so close this trade. This is not a loss because I was looking for the candle to close above, which it didn't. So let's move forward. See prices. Okay, finally, have we taken? No man, these highs look suspicious to me. Let's just wait. 10M opens. Not trusting this. See, 10M opens, manipulates lower. Mondays, Tuesdays are always random shit price actions. I don't know why. Okay, we are moving in a channel. If you look at it, we are moving in a channel. This could have been a potential entry, but the RR was cooked. So eventually, we moved upside. Nine 30 opens, manipulates lower. Okay, taps into that. This is shit. Complete bullshit. Let's see. Look at these eyes. Might get cooked here, guys. Might take a loss. It's okay. Losses are the part of the game. Okay, I'm getting panic attacks. Price might fuck me up, so I'm moving a little. Because see, this candle has no wick. So price eventually will take this. Oh man, this choppier shit. Okay, let's go. No, price might take me out, so better I exit on break even. See, see, I told you. Now it will go. Now this motherfucker wants to go. See, if I would have been in this trade, I've taken a winner, but on a live day, you can't take just a winner and you do random shit of things here. So in these kind of barcode price action days, I take a break even I just fuck off from the markets. You can take this 45 wala setup, but this choppy as shit. Let's move to next day. So guys, we are getting a 75% win rate. Nice, that's nice, but that doesn't count or matter. I'm looking here for process. So this high is intact. On daily we're pretty bullish. On 4 hours also we're bullish. We have London's high up, London low, the downside. Okay. On hourly we have imbalance right away. Sorry, this is the 30-minute imbalance. Let's go to 15 minutes. Okay, price tapped into this 15 minutes. Let's look at again. Can we get another tap? Okay, so this is the data highs. We have no news, but data highs can look like this, and we have a data low also. So price might wanna manipulate to the either side of the highs or lows. Let's go. Okay, take the lows. Nice. See guys, this is an inversion. Okay, this also looks like a looks or what? This is an inversion, but I don't take these kind of setups and open inversion, because if I take this, my entry would be like this, my stop loss would be like fucking this, and my take profit would be like this. This doesn't make sense, so I don't take this setups. We have London lows here, but what can I'm not taking a one-to-one like here. And if you look at what price does is okay, it is choppy as shit also. Again, 10M opens. Can you see a manipulation? Upside. Yeah, we've taken this high. Okay, now this makes sense. What are we targeting, man? 15 minutes. 3 minutes to close. So let's go. Let's see the closure first. Get this inversion. Teams close. Settlement opens now. Okay. Now this looks good. Okay, this inversion looks good. Target until this. So this way. Start this up with this. 1%. Okay, let's go. Oh fuck. Usually does it comes or not? It never, it just chops out. This one chops out, then gets here, then moves. But this is the shit. In daily we are bullish, clearly bullish. On 4 hours we are clearly bullish. Hourly also we are bullish. But we have okay, we have taken the slow into this gap. Nice. This gap was respected. So we are clearly seeing bullish price action. Let's open. Okay, nice. So, pricing 2 minutes we tapped into this one. Just back again. Okay, we can take this because if you look at this gap got inversed. Okay, so price doesn't need to come back again. So this was a TP. This was the position. Look at this. So why I took this trade? See guys, 9:30 opened up here. What it did, it took some liquidity, manipulated to the downside. Then clearly, if you can look at this, tapped multiple times into this gap, but when the 9:45 candle opened, it manipulated again to take this low. Then what it did was it closed really above. And look at the strength. This was a clear change in the state of delivery. You can look at this. This was a clear change in state of the delivery where the bearish delivery of the price was inverted by the bullish delivery. So this was a clear indication that price wants to take this highs, which was relatively equal. This was the setup. Let's move to next day. So let's go to daily. Yeah, you can see price taking that high. It's clearly bullish again, but it have not moved much yet, and we can see London lows, London highs tagged. You see, they are supporting the price. Price never took it, but there is a lot of like taps into it, and we have taken this high also, which means we might move into taking this gap. And guys, always remember, always create scenarios, because market is unpredictable and you cannot simply 100% predict where price wants to move next. So what you want to do is you just have to make scenarios where if then, if price moves here, I will take here. If this happens, then I'll do this. If this doesn't happen, I'll refrain from that. This is kind of the mentality you need to adapt. So let's look into 15 minutes. Do we get any kind of gaps? It's a Friday, guys. Remember, it's a Friday, so we are getting choppy shit. This clearly barcode price action. We have lows, so much of like you can see this is again a data low, relative equal lows. So we can expect price to take these out first. And we have also 4 hour imbalance here, remember? So let's move, let's look. Let's what's this? Okay, this is bullshit. Price moves into the 4 hour gap, moves to the upside. Okay, can't see nothing. Okay, we see this inverse. Let's see. Okay, time is also good. Okay. We are reacting from this order block. This order block. See, we cannot close above the 50%, and we have also low resistance liquidity, and the consequent encroachment of the 4 hour gap is also intact. So can plan a short trade, and time is also with our favor. Okay, so this will be the trade. It's a Friday, so I'm not gonna risk much. Let's go. bro, bro, it fucking barely tapped into my stop loss. Let's see. It will take me out, I know. For sure. For sure. This was shit price action. Fuck. These kind of trades like lower my win rate. Now it's come down. Okay, we have taken previous daily high. We have also imbalance on daily. Let's move to 4 hour. On daily, we are clearly bullish. On 4 hour, we are also clearly bullish because we tapped into this gap, move to the upside. What I was talking about. On hourly, do we have any gaps? Yeah, we do. We have this gap. This gap has not been created because 30 minutes is left out. So we are bullish, but we want to take this gap first. Okay, ramps up as price should. Okay, 45 will open now. Yes. Okay, this moving to the oblivion. Is this yeah, price is moving far away. Clearly bullish. Oh, and it's a Monday. Expect nothing from this day. Ten M opens into the gap. Fails to. No man, this is too much to the upside. We can't just. Okay, now we're talking. No, 9:30 is opening. Okay, we sweep too much. Okay, let's see. Right now, this looks good. This inversion looks good. I've taken out this. Okay, and we have low resistance to the upside, and we are bullish. So, might wanna target that. Let's play. We move into that or not? We take that. Oh fuck, we take that, but I take a loss. Fuck no. Can't do nothing. Let's move on to the next session. Okay, barcode. Welcome barcode. Again, a bullish, clearly a very bullish day. So again, we are expecting bullishness today, but yeah, that looks good. That looks good. We have a 4 hour open unmitigated. So, and we have a hourly to the upside. That's nice. And also we have London highs, and these are relative to each other, which means price might wanna take out. Okay, let's look at how price behaves now. Clearly, we can take some bullish setups. Okay, taps down, taps into the encroachment. Okay, 9:30 open here, right? Okay, let's go. Let's look at how 9:43. Can 9:45 looks this? No, don't get a closure. Okay, this is generating sell side liquidity. Closing. Okay, we have these now. Okay, also we have Asia lows to tap into. Okay, let's go to 1 minute again. Let's look. 10 ml open. Sorry. 10 ml opens. Okay. Okay. This lows looks us, and we have tendencies to the upside also. Price might wanna take. Hustle will be too big. Hmm. This looks nice. Time is what? 11. No, 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 no. I want two candles. No, let's lower. Okay, outside. Close. This looks good. No, man. This looks bullshit. Okay, we are fucked. Moves down, but let's move to another session. Let's go to daily. Okay, we got a tap. Market looks bullish. Let's watch. Yeah, we have all these stacked highs. Gap. It's too tight. And we are bullish. Nice outside. Okay, we have a sell side imbalance up here. Price is starting to open up. Let's go. Let's watch the price action. Let's into it. It's lower. It's lower. Let's look at this. Fuck. Okay, let's go to 1 minute. Generally, I do these kind of shit. I just fucks up. And this crazy. Take this above. Let, okay, close above. Nice. This looks good. It's, again, man, got taken out. I don't know what is happening with this shitty price action. Let's move to another day. Let's look at another day. This is pathetic for me. Okay, we have taken on daily. We have taken this high sword. We look bullish. 4 hour, do we have open gap? Yeah, we do. We have open gap. The fuck is this shit? We have open gap. Okay, let's go to early. Okay, price tapped into this gap. Okay, let's see. 15 minutes. Okay, we have this gap open. 15 minutes. Let's go to 1 minute. Okay, let's watch price action. So this is a bearish gap. This is a this is a bullish gap, I guess. Early, I guess this is, yeah, this is a bullish gap. This is also a gap, and price is retracing, as you can see, but 30 minutes is open here. So let's look what price does. Okay, moves down, moves up. Okay, this seems good. And the time is good also. Sell, sweep somewhat in here. The body of the candle, this 1%. It's barely 1 to 1. Gee, let's go. See, prices fucked me up, then moved up. Okay, we got a winner, but nice. Market moved clearly to the upside. Okay, let's go to another day. Let's go to daily. Absolutely bullish. No wick to the downside also. And we have for our open here we do, but price tapped into it. So we are expecting bullish price action, but London lows are also there. We have a small 15 minute here. We have all these generators inside. So let's go to 1 minute and let's watch the price plays. Tap into that. 9:45. Another 15 minutes open. Go to the upside. We manipulate higher. We go higher. Okay. Let's go. 10M opens, manipulates, outside. Can we get a closer down below? Yeah, we get, but we have all these generators inside now. Sorry, buy side. Let's look very sush. Yeah, right now it looks good. Hmm, take anything. Might. We closed above right away. 10:30 opens, manipulates lower. Let's go. Is that low? 46. Okay, this looks good. Close lower gap. Shush. Yeah, now we are talking. Let's go to 15 minutes. Yeah, we are taking this slow and we are looking for bullish momentum. Driving on this relationship until up here. Let's go. Okay, clear inverses. It fucks me up. Choppy as shit on a Friday. Let's go to new session next day. On daily, we are bullish. 4 hour, we have a gap. The upside, if it fails to close above that, we can see various price action also. 15 minutes, do you have anything? Okay, all this generated sell side. We have London highs around this. We have taken this. Okay, let's watch how price plays. Taps into it. It's clearly away from it. Can we close? Can we get a close below? Yeah, we get a close below. Yeah, we are getting this inversion. And a new 5 minute will open. Let's go. Watch that 5 minute open. 10 minutes open. Moves to the upside. Some crazy ass shit. We could have looked into this inversion, guys. This looked really great. Nice. Let's move. 10M opens, manipulates lower. Okay, move forward. Okay, it's Monday. Let's move to next day. So we are on a round level 25,000, so we can see some movement to the downside, and we have also 4 hour open which has not mitigated properly, right? So we're looking for bearish price action kind of, but this is a complete chop. So let's move to 1 minute. Let's go to first 15 minutes to mark out some levels. We have 15-minute open here, and price if takes this, you can target the London highs also. See, let's go to 1 minute. Yeah, let's move. Substantial clearly closed. We are taking the London lows or not? We are taking it. Took it. Closed completely above, which means we are interested to take this. Okay, we got clearly wrecked. Again, switch. Machine, I don't trust this emotion. Okay, we can target a 1 to 1 here. Okay, we can target a 1 to 1 here. So, yeah, great. A 1 to 1, but this trade was a loss. We're targeting a bullish setup. So, let's move on to next day. What can it do? Okay, now we have a daily imbalance open, and I think we can close. So I think if you look at 50% of the body, we have tapped into the 50%. So let's go to 4 hour. We are in this gap. Okay, we have also Asia lows, London lows, complete bearishness. We have inversed this 4 hour gap, which means we will move into the daily gap. Okay, so let's go to 15 minutes. I'm looking for bearish setups. Yeah, so anything open, nothing open. Yeah, so this gap is open. I'm looking for bearish setups. Perfect against my bullish. Let's go. Let's look for a sweep. Eyes got swept. Classic manipulation, but price will reject somehow from somewhere. Do we tap into the daily to look for it? Do we? No, we do not. So let's go to early and closing bearish. This is a retracement into some gap. Let's do. This will be a big trade. Price takes me out, moves. Let's see, I can plan another inversion here. Let's go. What happened, man? Nice. So I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna temper this low. Stop above this. Let's go. Again, a stop loss. It's fucking crazy, man. September is fucking crazy. Like, are we getting the low? We we fucking do, but okay. That was a miss from my side. On daily, we are completely closing, but I am bullish. Seems bullish. 4 hour, we have taken this low, moved into this. London highs could we target? Yes. On hourly, we have an open gap, man. Let's see. Our price reacts around this gap. Opens inside imbalance. Let's see how price behaves on 1 minute. Okay, I haven't marked some lows. Also, have lows. This daily low here. This London low here. We have London highs to the upside. We have also 4 hour gap here. And 1 minute. Let's look at how price behaves. We have stacked highs to the upside, which we can target. Let's look at the price action. Okay. Let's goes lower. 36. Just a meltdown. Close this bullshit. Not getting any fucking good setups, man. Horrible as shit. Okay, this looks good, but what are we targeting? Targeting these lows are being taken. And now man, 10M is also opening. Let's wait for 10M. I'm missing all sorts of setups because I'm too focused on it. This okay. 10M opens. Let's see. Okay, opens, straight moves up, looking crazy. Just moves and moves and fucking moves. Okay. Oh fuck. I should have taken this trade, man. I should have taken this trade. It's crazy, but what can we do? 4 hours. Because we are taking this slow because I'm so much interested in this trade. And we have highs to the upside, which we are interested. Let's move to 950. Let's see what it does. Yeah, so we need a closure above here to target these highs because these highs looks juicy, man. Extremely good. Now we get an inversion, so we can get in the buy position here. Target these highs. These lows will be stop loss. And here looks good. Okay, let's go for a big shot. Let's target. So price moves to break even. Confirm. Target these highs. Okay, this was the setup, guys. Got it. Let's move to next day. Again, generated sell side on daily. Okay, we look completely bullish now because you look at this price never closed below. So looks awesome, guys. On 4 hour, yeah, we have taken liquidity from this and also we have stack lows. Let's see how the market behaves because this 4 hour is testing the price to move to the upside. Do we have a 15 minute? No, we do not. We have a 15-minute gap. Yeah, we do. This is the gap. We have generated sell side to the downside. Let's watch what price does. Hence, okay, moves to the downside. Okay, clearly closing up, but I don't think I'm not interested. Guys, see this trade will play out no matter what. This will play out like this will be taken out. This will be taken out, but can't do nothing because it's clearly a now we can target. Now it seems good to target because time is there. This is a clear inversion. A clear inversion, so my target is my target is 5%. Let's see how this moves. Okay, this week I'm breaking even at the moment I get a okay. Now I'm breaking even because we have taken this inverse this. We have taken this high. I don't want to take loss on this. Good setup, and it's a break even. Look, it's a crazy break even. What can we do? Okay, again we are looking bullish, but there is a retracement happening, but we have not taken this high. Okay. This high is tagged. Look at 4 hour. Do we have a 4 hour open? Yeah, we do. Here. Tuck, tuck. Well, fuck. Let's delete this. Let's, this will be good. Yeah. So 4 hour open. Let's go to 1 hour. Okay, we got this inversion on 1 hour. Seems nice. This is not a yeah, clear inversion, but let's see. Okay, in 15 minutes, do we have any gaps? No. I'm looking to take London look. Let's go to 1 minute. Let's look how the price behaves. Chops and goes. Clear Monday price action. Shit price action. Could have taken that. Listen to good. There was no manipulation left, right? So I was not interested. Let's look at how 9:30 open. Sorry, 10:30. Now this looks good. Okay, some liquidity. And no, I might lose this setup, but looks genuine. Looks good. Can take this high. Let's see. Do we? Yep. Yeah, we moved into it. And now break even for this trade. Let's look at what price does. What the fuck just happened, man? I entered correctly. Okay. I know. This looks exiting this trade here. More than a 1-to-1, guys. Okay. More than a 1-to-1. 1.5. It's great. Let's move to next day open. Session. Okay. It's a Tuesday. Let's move to 4 hour. Okay. They're clearly bullish now. And there is no 4-hour gap to the upside. Hourly, we have a gap. Okay. Price might want to take that also, and we have also Asia highs. Full highs to the upside. Okay. We didn't respect this, so we're looking for a price. Tab into this low, then we can target the upside. Target down Asia highs. Okay. Okay, completely read down. Let's see. Choppy as shit, but are we targeting releasing anything? No, it's choppy as hell. Taking some of liquidity as well. Let's take a sulfate. This will be the last trade of the session. Get wrecked. Okay, now it looks really good. Let's buy. Let's target these highs. Sorry, let's target these ones. Alright, let's really choose. Really a 1 to 1, but some kind of stuff. Let's see. Externalize the breaking zero. Tap into that. Okay, great. Great move. We take this Asia lows also. So this was a good setup. The lows were here. Target was around here. It's a great setup. Yeah, and we tapped into Asia highs. So nice. Nice one. Do we have anything on? So uh, you can say this was a pretty bad. I will not say bad, but because we are positive on this month, but the win rate is not that good. It's 43%. But if you look at most of my losses, the Wednesdays are completely loser. The Mondays I've not taken that much trade. Tuesdays break even. Thursdays are clearly much more profitable. Fridays are shit. So this was 2025. Max drawdown was worst day was, what is the max drawdown? We went into 5,100. Net PNL is good. Okay. So yeah, guys, this was September price action, but we'll look into improving this. We'll get much more good results, as you can look in this, because you can go to like dashboard or something, charts, sessions. Here you can look at this for September, but you go into charts, if you go into backtest sessions, you go into this. This was 3 months backtest. Okay, and if you go into channel, I'm getting already good win rates and positive RR on these days. So yeah, this was the session. So If you have anything, you can ask me. Or I'm profitable, guys. Look at this. With a wait, let me move to dashboard sessions. Look, if we go to journal, look into this. Look, my net PNL is positive. My win rate is around 43% on this month. Profit factor was good. Average win, look at this. Average win was around $1,700. Average loss was half of this. I have 9 green days, 9 red days. Best day was 4,000, worst day was around 2,000. So this gives a good peak. Like, look, if you look at the losses also, all are contained, like 979 1%, then 2.5 r, then minus 5 r, then 0.2 r, 1 r, minus 1 r, plus 1.5 r, minus 0.5 r, minus 1 r, minus 1 r, minus 1 r, 1.5 r, minus 1 r, 2 r, minus 4 r, plus break even, 1.5 r, 1 r. See, one losing week. Here I have $2,880, and others are completely winning weeks. If this week was good, I may have like one, two, three, four losses. Four losses. And yeah, good. So this was it, guys. I'll see you in the next backtest or live trading